You have hustled and got called for an interview to that job you have been eyeing. Now you have to answer that one question every interviewer begins with. Tell us about yourself. To answer this, be succinct, honest, and engaging. I call this the SHE formula. Resist the urge to give a detailed account of the last 2 decades of your career. The interviewer is looking for an answer that shows them you're qualified and can respond to an unstructured question. Use the job description to prepare. Reread what they want and highlight the most required skills that you have. Are they looking for someone who can solve problems or deal with tough customers? Pick a few and brainstorm how you can describe yourself while showcasing your strengths for what they're seeking. Tie your story to their needs. People love a good tale, so weave in some personality. For example, maybe you fell in love with the hospitality industry because your grandparents ran a bed and breakfast. Connect your story back to the job, keep it short, and be truthful. That's simple, you nail it and voila. You are on your way to landing that job. You can do it better this time, all the best.